The Dow gave us an indication that it was trying to bottom over the past week. Notice that we had kind of a bullish harami in the Dow, which told us the selling had stopped. Then it was indecisive trading for 4 or 5 trading days, and then a bullish candle. A bullish candle that if you broke down the pattern to just a couple days, we had an inverted hammer type signal followed by bullish confirmation when stochastics were in the oversold area. This alone was a nice buy signal. Add this to the pattern, which is a cradle pattern. There's the headboard, there's the footboard, there's the bed, and there's the footboard. This tells us that this cradle is laying down between two trends, or the hanging down between two trends. Today, even though we did a doji, which wasn't a very compelling day, if this market opens positive tomorrow, we have the doji sandwich coming out of a cradle pattern, trading above the T-line, stochastics coming up. A doji sandwich tells us we have a potential of having another big day like this day, taking us further away from the T-line, taking us back up toward the 50-day moving average, which means for at least the next few days or weeks, we should be in an uptrending market back to the 50. Knowing that the investor sentiment isn't getting very, or doesn't have the fear of any big negative days, the trade on RMTI worked out very well. Notice the cup and handle, the fry pan bottom, the cup and handle. Then we had a little doji gap up, which made it very simple. We were trading right here on a resistance level with a doji, knowing that a doji will represent will be a positive open the next day, will move the price in a positive direction, gets us in the right position at the right time. Do we always get a 30% move in one day? No, but the nice thing about candlestick analysis is it puts you in situations where the probabilities of being in the right place at the right time are extremely high. This same analysis was in our recommendation or our positioning in HIMX. Also, another chart that was pretty well discussed in the chat room each day. Notice how the rounding bottom right off the 50-day moving average, the scoop type pattern, and then the breakout tells us that there's probably a lot more upside left in this stock. This is not rocket science. This is just merely taking the chart patterns that represent the investor sentiment that works time after time, century after century, and putting them into an effective trading program. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.